To use Pay Later on Uber Eats, start by opening the app and selecting the food you want to order. Once you have added your desired items to the cart, proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, you will see the Pay Later option, which allows you to pay for your order up to 30 days after it is placed. To use Pay Later, you must have a valid credit or debit card linked to your Uber Eats account. And you must have a good payment history with Uber. If you meet these requirements, you can select the Pay Later option and confirm your order. After you select Pay Later, you will receive an email with instructions on how to pay for your order. You can pay for your order at any time within the 30-day period, and you will not be charged any interest or fees as long as you pay on time. To make a payment, log into your Uber Eats account and go to the Orders section. Find the order you want to pay for and select the Pay Now option. You will be taken to a payment screen where you can enter your payment information and confirm the payment. It is essential to make your payment on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. If you are unable to make a payment, contact Uber Eats customer support to discuss your options. They may be able to provide you with a payment plan or temporarily suspend your Pay Later privileges. Using Pay Later on Uber Eats can be a convenient way to order food without having to pay immediately. However, it is crucial to use this feature responsibly and make your payments on time to avoid any negative consequences. By following these steps and using Pay Later wisely, you can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of paying for your Uber Eats orders later.